Goeiemôre julle. Vandag gaan ons van plaasdiere leer. Today we're going to learn about farm animals. Plaas in Afrikaans means farm. Diere is animals. Plaasdiere. Here's the first one. Let's get started. Hen. In Afrikaans, a girl chicken is called a hen. Haan is a rooster. Haan. Just turn those around. Vark is a pig. Vark. Koei is a cow. Eend is a duck. Konyn is a rabbit. You might remember this word from our story, Katrein Konyn. Konyn. It's about a rabbit. Oh, now we've got one wrong way around again. Kaiken. Kaiken is a chicken. A baby chick. Kaiken. Gans is a goose. Turkey is a turkey. Skaap is a sheep. This is an important one, boys and girls, because we've got a poem we're learning called Swart Skaap, black sheep. Skaap. Perd is a horse. And bok is a goat. Bok. Alright, boys and girls, let's see if we can do it. One more time. You can practice saying the words after me. Right, here we go. Let's see. Okay. Hen. Haan. Vark. Koei. Eend. Konyn. Kaiken. Gans. Turkey. Skaap. Perd. Bok. Geniet julle dag. Enjoy your day.